Last week, we built the lead gen agency, Path 3, the fastest invoice. Today is Path 4, and it's the one with the best ending. Micro apps as a service. You build a tiny piece of software for a local business once, and they pay you monthly for as long as it runs. Businesses rent software their whole lives. Today, you become the landlord. 5 steps, 2 tools, and you will not write a line of code. Step 5 is the pricing flip that turns a one-time build into rent. That one's worth staying for. Ground rules, same as every week. Every tool here has a full written review on predrop.ai. The links below are affiliate links. They cost you nothing, and they're why this course is free. No income promises, ever. And this week's honest warning. A micro app is a living thing. When it breaks at 9 on a Saturday, the client calls you. That's not a reason to skip this path. That on-call duty is literally what the monthly fee pays for. But go in knowing you're signing up to be a tiny software company, not to flip a one-off. Step 1. Pick one problem that repeats every single week. The businesses that pay fastest already pay for the problem. They're renting some bloated vertical platform that does 40 things when they need 4. Booking reminders for barbershops, review request follow-ups for contractors, quote forms that actually reach the owner's phone for landscapers. Pick one trade and one repeating pain, exactly like last week. The era of, I build apps for anyone is over. The micro specialist wins. I build the booking app for barbershops is a sentence that gets replies. And you're not inventing a budget. You're replacing a subscription they already resent. Step 2. Build the thing without writing the thing. Likeable is the builder. You describe the app in plain English, the screens, the fields, what happens on submit, and it builds working software. This is the vibe coding wave, minus the monthly bill. It's a lifetime deal, one payment, live price on the page. Here's the move most people miss. The same afternoon it takes to build one barbershop's booking app builds a template you can redeploy for every barbershop in the next town over. Build once, sell the copy. The full review, and what it can't do is linked below. Step 3, the plumbing, where your little app grows muscles. N8 Nitro is hosted N8N, the automation engine, for about $220 once. The app is the face. N8N is the nervous system. Form comes in. It texts the owner, logs the lead, fires the reminder the day before the appointment, and sends the review request 2 hours after the job closes. Those 4 wires are the product. That's the part the client genuinely cannot build themselves. And because it's self-hosted for you, you're not paying per-task fees that eat your margin like the big automation platforms charge. Review linked below. Keep the automation boring and visible. A new lead should hit the owner's phone before the customer closes the tab. A booking should trigger a reminder that cuts their no-shows. A finished job should trigger the review ask while the customer's still happy. 2 hours, not 2 weeks. And everything lands in one spreadsheet the owner can actually read. 4 wires. When the owner sees their phone buzz with a lead your app caught, that is the moment the sale actually happens. Step 4. Nobody wants an app. They want the problem gone. The strongest offers this year don't sell software. They sell a finished outcome with a date on it. Your booking app. Live in 1 week. Flat setup fee. That's the whole pitch. Demo it with their business name and their services already loaded. 30 minutes of prep that doubles your close rate because they're not imagining the product. They're looking at it. Never say the words no code. The client does not care how the sausage is made. They care that it's live in a week and their phone buzzes. Land 1 pilot per template, then copy the template. Sound familiar? It's last week's pilot playbook wearing a software costume. Step 5. The flip, where a build becomes rent. Price it in 2 parts. A flat setup fee for the build week. That's the outcome with the deadline. Then the care plan. A modest monthly fee for hosting, fixes, and those 4 wires staying hot. Anchor it under the vertical platform they were renting, and it feels like a discount while being better. Here's the honest math, with no promises attached. Your entire tool stack today is 2 purchases made once. Every client after that pays you monthly, against tools that cost you nothing more. 5 to 10 care plans is a real business a single person can actually maintain. Chasing 100 is how the Saturday phone calls win. Small base. Fat margin. Sleep at night. Path 4. Built. 1 repeating pain. An app built without code. 4 wires of automation. An outcome with a deadline. And the care plan that turns it into rent. You're the landlord now. Powered by tools you bought once. Everything is linked below with our written reviews. Buying through them costs you nothing and keeps this course free. New deals land on predrop.ai every Tuesday and Thursday. Next week is the Money Ops episode, the business books, pricing your services, and exactly when a lifetime deal is worth it and when it's a trap. Subscribe and go find that repeating problem.